How to add Instagram link in your YouTube channel and description. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and go to youtube.com. Then after go to YouTube Studio, you will see the option of setting in the left hand side menu. Simply click on it and shortly a window will appear on your screen. You need to choose the option of upload default from there and then go to description box. Here before providing any link, you simply need to paste the link which you copied from your social media, for example Instagram. So www.instagram.com is just an example. Now to make it accessible for all the people who come across to your YouTube channel, you simply need to add HTTP before it. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to add your Instagram link to your YouTube channel and description. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.